Hello and welcome. My name's Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. The video today is a beater rattle. 2 in 1. You've got a beater at one end and you've got a rattle at the other end. So it's on a birchwood branch handle. On this end, this is a buffalo skin bulb with seed beads, which are little glass beads used in jewelry making, and also crystal chips. So that's what's inside the bead, the bulb there. It's trimmed with raw sheep's wool and some leather trim. At this end we've got a fake fur fabric stuffed with raw wool and trimmed with raw wool as well. Both have got a bit of leather on there as well. So let me demonstrate what it sounds like with this beautiful drum just here. So it's actually quite a gentle little rattle, this one. It's quite a thick skin that I've used for the bulb, which makes the sound quite muted. It's quite a small bulb as well. So this is going to be a subtle little beater rattle. Okay, well, I hope this helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online. It's always very difficult. That's why I make these little videos. I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.